In today's video, I'll be walking you through the top 5 best smartphones to look out for. Whether you're into powerful cameras, foldable designs, or ultra-fast performance, I've got something for everyone. Keep in mind, smartphones that work for one person might not necessarily be the best for another, so I've made sure to include a wide variety of options. Let's jump in. Kicking off the list is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, a powerhouse that pushes the boundaries of mobile photography. This smartphone stands out with its 200MP quad camera system, featuring a massive 1-inch sensor, giving you stunning photos in any lighting condition. The 6.9-inch AMOLED display offers vibrant colors and high refresh rates, perfect for media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powers everything, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. Plus, with its 5000 mAh battery and 120W fast charging, you'll have plenty of juice to last through your day. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a great choice for those looking for cutting-edge camera technology and a seamless user experience. At number 4, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the latest iteration of Samsung's iconic foldable lineup. This smartphone features a 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display that transforms your phone into a mini tablet, giving you a more immersive experience whether you're gaming, working, or watching videos. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the Z Fold 6 delivers top-notch performance and efficiency. What's new with the Z Fold 6 is the improved hinge design, which makes the fold smoother and more durable. And if you're worried about the battery, the 4400 mAh dual-cell battery will keep you going, supported by 45W fast charging. For anyone looking for versatility and innovation, the Z Fold 6 is the ultimate multitasking beast. In third place, we have the OnePlus XII, a flagship that blends performance and style at a competitive price. It sports a 6.7-inch QHD+ AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering silky smooth visuals and crisp clarity. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this phone excels in gaming, productivity, and multitasking. The 50MP triple camera setup, co-engineered with Hasselblad, delivers professional-grade photos, especially in low-light settings. With a 5000 mAh battery and 150W Super VOOC charging, you won't have to worry about running out of battery quickly. The OnePlus XII is perfect for users who crave speed and value for money without compromising on premium features. Coming in at number 2 is the Google Pixel 9 Pro, which shines for its incredible AI-powered photography and clean Android experience. The 6.8-inch OLED display delivers vibrant visuals, while the Google Tensor G3 chip ensures smooth operation with AI enhancements that boost performance and efficiency. The camera system is where the Pixel 9 Pro truly excels, with its 50MP main sensor and AI tools like Magic Eraser and Super Residential Zoom allowing you to take professional quality photos with minimal effort. The 5000 mAh battery provides all-day power, and thanks to wireless charging and fast wired charging, you can stay powered up effortlessly. For users who value software experience and top-notch camera capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro is a stellar choice. And finally, at the top of the list, we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is Samsung's ultimate flagship, featuring a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering an unparalleled visual experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the global variant or Samsung's own Exynos 2400 in select regions, this phone delivers lightning-fast performance, perfect for gaming and productivity. The 200MP quad camera system takes smartphone photography to new heights, and with advanced zoom capabilities, you can capture incredible details from afar. The 5000 mAh battery, paired with 45W fast charging and wireless charging, keeps you powered throughout the day. If you're looking for the best all-around smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is hard to beat. That wraps up my list of the top 5 smartphones. If any of these caught your eye, be sure to check the links in the description for the latest deals and updated pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tech reviews and top picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.